Hello and namaste once more. I'm Arun and with me is Diksha. And today we bring you the practice of Kapalabhati. The word Kapalabhati in Sanskrit, Kapal meaning skull, Bhati meaning shining, loosely translated means a glowing face, and that reflects an inner state of health and well-being. If we were to put it simply, Kapalabhati by definition gives good health and well-being to the practitioner. So this is a profound meaning and a profound benefit that all of us can have with the practice of Kapalabhati, a simple breathing practice, one of the 6 kriyas, Shat kriyas, cleansing techniques that is given in the yogic texts. It's also constituted as a pranayama or a practice that regulates and controls prana. In the Sivananda class, this is the first breathing practice that we do, Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is a series of rapid exhalations, active exhalations, followed by passive inhalations. Let us have a look. You inhale, you exhale, you inhale and begin. One, 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 and 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 relax. A series of active exhalations and passive inhalations. The exhalations we are doing forcefully. The inhalation happens automatically. Each time you exhale, the abdomen goes in. Each time you release the abdomen, the incoming breath happens automatically. Normally, you would do 1 exhalation per second, medium speed and medium force. Let's try once more. Have a look. If you like, you can keep your right hand on your belly, around your navel area, just to see the movement of the abdomen. Each time you exhale, the abdomen goes in, and each time you release the abdomen, the breath goes. Each time you exhale, the abdomen goes in and the breath comes out, and each time the abdomen is released, the breath goes in. Let's try. One more time. Inhale, normal breath. Exhale, normal breath. Now inhale and begin. Hunt, 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 and relax. breathe normally, relax the body, relax the mind. In the Sivananda class, we do usually 2 to 3 rounds of Kapalabhati, maybe 30 to 60 pumpings in each round, maybe 60 to a maximum of 80 pumpings in each round. In Kapalabhati, we are using a muscular tissue which is sitting just below the rib cage. It's called the diaphragm. And this very gently pushes against the lungs each time you exhale, therefore expelling the air from the bottommost portion of the lungs. So what we are doing is actually cleansing the lungs, cleansing the nasal passages, cleansing the sinuses, and improving the entire breathing apparatus, and improving the functioning of the lungs, making them stronger and more efficient, and able to absorb the oxygen and eliminate the carbon dioxide better. Let's try one more round of Kapalabhati. Remember to keep your back straight, keep your hands on your knees in Chin Mudra. Sit comfortably and concentrate on a continuous series of exhalations. When I say 1, you exhale. When I say 1, you exhale. When I say 1, you exhale. And when I say 2, the abdomen relaxes. When I say 2, the abdomen relaxes. Normal breath, inhale. Normal breath, exhale. One last round of Kapalabhati. Inhale deeply and begin. Hund, hex, 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 hund, 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 and relax. In the Sivananda class, after every round, we also hold the breath briefly. This helps to further strengthen the lungs and to quieten the mind. Kapalabhati also, as you can see, stimulates the abdominal organs. So it works on the digestive and eliminatory systems. It also helps in the absorption and utilization of nutrition. When we do Kapalabhati, the abdominal movements very gently work on the stomach, the liver, the intestines, the spleen, the gallbladder, the kidneys, and even the colon. Very powerful, stimulating and eliminatory practice, the practice of Kapalabhati. You must practice Kapalabhati empty stomach. And in the Sivananda class, we always do it as the first practice after the initial opening prayer and preparing ourselves for the pranayama, the Surya Namaskar, and the practice of the asanas afterwards. Om Tat Sat.